Today I'm going to be looking at this touchless foam soap dispenser. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box. I'm going to make some soap for it because you can make your own using just the regular hand soap that you use in your bathroom. And I'm going to give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Inside the box, you are going to have the foam soap dispenser. You are going to have a bottle that you can use to clean this. So you do need to clean this out sometimes. And essentially what this does is you can put it right in here and you can inject clean water through this tube until water comes out this area, and that helps you to clean any kind of residue out of the soap dispenser. You're going to have the charging cable. This is rechargeable. It doesn't require any batteries, which is really nice. And you're going to have the user manual. To make your own soap, you're going to use a 1:4 ratio. So I have 4 ounces of water, and I'm just going to fill this until we reach the 5-ounce mark, which is approximately halfway between 4 and 6. So that is 1:4. I'm then just going to give this a mix so that it is evenly distributed. And we can pour it right into the reservoir. And I'm going to re-secure the top. You're going to push the power button here for 2 seconds. It will be white for a large amount of soap dispensing. That is quite a bit. It will turn blue for medium. And then you can hit it again for green, which is the smallest amount. Now I'm using this, I buy this in bulk for the bathrooms and the kitchen on a monthly basis. I am really pleased at how easy it was to make the soap for this foam soap dispenser. And I'm actually really pleasantly surprised by the lather, because I have tried to do this before with other devices and it did not work as well to do the diluted version of the soap. So I don't know what they do differently, but the Secura one, I am very happy with.